And here is question number 22. Question number 22 reads, the gradient of point Q on the curve y equal to 7x squared plus 2x plus 1 is 30. Find the coordinate of Q. Though there's a mistake in writing this question, dear WAEC, you should know that a point doesn't have a gradient, but a curve does, right? So it should be the gradient of the curve, this, at point Q. That's how the question should be. And this coordinate should be coordinates because you see they are pair, x, y, x, y. So it should be coordinates. I just don't want to correct it here. I would like to leave it as it is from the question paper. But it should be gradient of the curve at point Q, not gradient of point Q, because a point doesn't have a gradient. All right, what does it mean? It means that, let us differentiate this. But remember, this curve is an open up, right? Parabola. And since the gradient, you can see the slope is positive, it means it is around where the curve is increasing, somewhere situated here. Maybe we have a point Q here. So we have a straight line here, touching the curve at exactly one point. This is why it is what? At point. It is touching the curve at exactly one point. So we call this what? A tangent line. A tangent line is a line touching the curve at exactly one point. So we would like to determine the x and y coordinates here. So let us differentiate it. dy over dx will be equal to, this 2 will drop down to multiply 7. You have 14. X, reduce the exponent by 1. It becomes 1. You move to the next. This has naturally a power of 1. It will drop down and multiply 2. Then the power will reduce by 1. It becomes 0. X to the power of 0 is 1. So we only have 2. Derivative of constant is 0. So it means that the whole of this is equal to 30. So let's solve for x. Take this one to the other side. It becomes negative 30 minus 2 is 28. So we have 14x equal to 28. As you divide both sides by 14, x will be equal to 2. And hence, without even solving for y, you can see the solution here. But let us confirm. Take the value of x, plug it into the original function. So y of 2 will be equal to 7 times 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus 1. 2 squared is 4, and 4 times 7 is 28, right? 28 plus 4 is 32, right? Plus 1 is 33. Yeah, you see that here. So this is equal to 33. So when x is 2, y is 33. The coordinates are 2 and 33. Let's move on to question number 23.